Hi everyone, great to see you all back here. Today I'm making a cake that I'm actually entering into an ICA, Irish Country Women's Association competition. So it's county level and I have to make a Dundee cake. So I'm making the cake and I'm going to bring it to be judged tomorrow night. So we'll see how we get on. A Dundee cake is a traditional Scottish fruit cake. It's a beautiful cake and you'll all know it from its distinctive decorations as it's covered in whole almonds. So I'm going to make that now. In here I've got some butter, it's nice and soft. And into here I'm going to add in light brown sugar. You can use white sugar either, but you just won't get that nice colour in your cake if you do. I'm going to mix this together now for a couple of minutes until it's nice and soft and fluffy. I'm going to add my eggs in now, one at a time while I beat them in. In goes the lemon zest and some orange zest as well. I'm going to mix that in. We can add the plain flour now. I've sieved this. Some baking powder and a pinch of salt. I've also got my ground almonds to add as well. Get everything mixed in. That's perfect. It's time to add the fruit. And just to mention, it's important to soak your fruit for at least 2 hours. I've soaked mine overnight in cold black tea and some whiskey. If there's a lot of liquid, just drain the liquid off. I don't have very much liquid left in here, so I'm going to pour this all in. Because I left it overnight, my fruit has soaked up all the liquid. But you do need to soak this for a minimum of 2 hours. So get that in there. I just used a bag of mixed fruit. I'm going to add in some glace cherries, and I've actually washed these and dried them. So let's mix all this in now. That mixture is starting to look lovely now, and I've got all the fruit evenly mixed in as well. I'm going to set this to one side and grab my tin. This is an 8-inch tin and I've lined it and greased it as well. I'm going to spoon my mixture in. So get the rest of the mixture in there and smooth the top of it. And that's my cake finished. Now to decorate it with my almonds. I'm going to start in the centre and you just place them on the top. Don't push them down because if you do, they might sink into the cake. So put one in the centre and then I'm going to work my way around. And there you have it, all done. Doesn't it look really pretty? I'm going to get this into the oven now for about 90 minutes. Here it is everyone, my Dundee cakes turned out really well. It's a nice golden colour. I love the pattern from the almonds on the top. They haven't sunken down. This is how a Dundee cake should look. My cake's still warm, so I'm going to leave it in the tin. And as I said, I'm entering this in a competition tomorrow night. We'll see how that goes. So unfortunately I can't cut this today, but I will do some filming of the actual cake following the competition so you can see what the inside is like. I can't wait to cut into it myself, I have to say. So we'll see you shortly, all right? Great news everyone, I'm delighted to announce that I won the competition last night. I can't believe it, I don't win very many things. But I do have to give credit to the other ladies who took part. The judge did say that all the cakes there were fantastic and I suppose I was just lucky on the night. So the next stage for me is I have to make this cake again and bring it to the national competition which is being held in Ongrenon. Ongrenon is the training centre for the ICA. It's been sponsored by Gempack, so I get to go up the night before, have high tea, not sure what that is, but I can't wait. Spend the night there, get bed and breakfast. There's a cookery demonstration on the Monday, and then the cakes are all going to be judged. I'll get to meet some lovely ladies from other counties around Ireland who will be bringing their cakes with them too to the competition. So it's going to be a great day out. I don't care whether I win or lose, I'm just going to enjoy the day. So getting back to my cake, you can see she cut a nice big slice out of it. I'm assuming she tasted it. I had the slice for my breakfast this morning. I just couldn't wait. It is a beautiful cake, lovely flavours in there, and I would definitely make this cake for Christmas next year. So I'm going to cut another slice so you can see the inside and what it looks like. So we'll do that now. Get a nice sharp knife, and I'm going to cut a nice big slice too. Just look at that, isn't it beautiful? I'm absolutely delighted. It's lovely and moist. You can see all the beautiful fruit in there. Baked really well. A gorgeous Dundee cake, and the nuts on top are a perfect touch to it as well. And that's it. That's my Dundee cake. An absolutely gorgeous fruit cake. Give it a go and let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. I'd love to hear from you. Happy baking, everyone. Enjoy.